Would you drink this? Of course not. But without proper backflow protection, water like that could end up in your faucet and you never even know it. This could affect not only you, but your neighbors too. Here's how it happens. All it takes is one cross connection, like a garden hose in a puddle or a fertilizer sprayer left on, and contaminated water can flow into the water that you drink, cook with, and bathe in. The good news? We have tools to prevent it. Things like hose bib vacuum breakers, reduced principle devices, pressure vacuum breakers for sprinklers, AVB devices, air gaps at sinks. California law requires us to educate the community on backflow prevention, but you play a role too. So check your hose attachments, don't submerge anything connected to your faucets, and make sure that you and your neighbors are protected. Because protecting our drinking water starts right at home.